The construction industry in the UK has been hit hard by two major factors, Covid-19 and Brexit. Both factors have led to significant increases in the cost of construction materials, and this is happening on all sizes of construction projects, from the very small home improvements to huge multi-million-pound skyscraper projects, and everything in between. Before we dive into why this has happened and explore potential ways to mitigate the difficult landscape that the UK construction industry is facing across the board, please subscribe to our channel. We release a new video every single week. Covid-19 has disrupted global supply chains, causing shortages of materials and delays in shipping. This has led to higher costs for materials such as steel, timber and concrete. After the lockdowns and disturbance in the supply chain, a great deal of suppliers are struggling to pick up their production again and meet efficiency targets. As well as COVID, Brexit has also had an impact, as it has led to uncertainty and disruption in trade with the EU. This has resulted in increased customs checks, paperwork and additional costs, and with the UK importing around 60% of their materials from the EU countries, and up to 80% of its soft timber, this has had an enormous impact on the cost that simply cannot be resolved quickly. These factors have made it more challenging for construction companies to deliver projects on time and within budget. However, there are ways to mitigate the impact of these factors on construction material costs. One way is to plan ahead and order materials well in advance. This allows for any delays or shortages to be accounted for, and it can also help to secure better prices. Another way is to explore alternative materials that may be cheaper or more readily available. For example, some companies are looking to use sustainable materials such as bamboo or recycled plastics. Finally, construction companies can work with suppliers to negotiate better prices and terms by offering guaranteed demand, and perhaps closer working relationships, although this may be difficult to actually implement. So while Covid-19 and Brexit have indeed had a significant impact on the cost of construction materials in the UK, there are potential ways that could be tried to mitigate these factors when delivering construction projects as best as possible. By planning ahead, exploring alternative materials, and negotiating with suppliers, construction companies could help to keep costs under control and deliver projects successfully, but unfortunately in the current climate, nothing is guaranteed. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.